Good afternoon from Melaka, Malaysia. So today is the second day in Melaka. So right now I'm in the city center. Very beautiful area. Maybe someone think here is a little bit similar to Netherlands. Yes, it's correct, because Melaka was colony of Netherlands, but after some years gave it to British Empire. So you can see here many buildings and square quite similar to Dutch. So today is the second day in Melaka. I still have 4 days to stay here, so I still have quite enough time to explore this city, I think. Okay, right now let's visit the central area of Melaka. Okay, just walk around the central area of Melaka, because it's not very far from where I'm living, so I don't need to go inside immediately. I still have 4 days to stay here, so maybe later I would like to visit the house, the church, and so on. So today I just want to, explore some area around where I'm living. So let's take a look. Welcome to Melaka, World Heritage City. Melaka and Georgetown, historic cities of Strait of Malacca. So I have visited both Melaka and Georgetown in Malaysia. They are really impressive, especially the food. I think I really like the food in Malaysia. So if I compare the food here with the food in Thailand, I think I prefer the food here in Malaysia. In Thailand, the food is a little bit spicy, I think. So just walk around this area. There's a church of Saint Francis Xavier. Quite old, already more than 100 years, but now under construction. There are also some Indians live in Melaka, especially the area in front of me. It's called Little India. It's also like Georgetown, Penang. There is an area called Little India. Just walk around this area. I think here is ruin. History of Bastion, Victoria. I see. I think here is like city wall. The wall around the central city of Melaka, but it's destroyed because before here many Western countries like Netherlands, Britain, even Portugal. So very nice city, Melaka. So later I think I would like go to Little India. Not very far from me. Okay, just let's go. It's a pity that I'm not so hungry right now. If I'm really hungry, I would like to eat in that Indian restaurant. Here is mixed rice, also made by Indian, I think. Just take a look. Look at the picture. Yunker Street. That is where I'm living. Yunker Street. Very interesting. So if you love Indian food, I think Melaka can give you some choices. Look, this mixed rice, 2 vegetables and 1 meat. 5 ringgit. It's too cheap. I don't believe it. 5 ringgit. I think at least 15 ringgit. Anyway, I'm not so hungry, so just keep walking. This area called Little India. So the area behind me is Little India. Look, this very beautiful building. What's this? It's kind of private assurance box. Okay, just continue walking. Let's walk around this area. Right now I'm near to Melaka River, so later I would like to have a nice walk along the river. I just hope it will not rain later. Anyway, I have umbrella with me. There is bridge, looks very nice. Okay, let me go there to take a look. Okay, continue my walking along the river. I saw a lot of ferry boats on the river. I checked the map. There is a terminal not very far from me. So I think I would like to go to the terminal and check the price. But right now I think it's not good time. I prefer to take ferry boat in the evening if possible. Okay, just go there to take a look. It's quite cloudy now. I'm worried that it may rain later. Okay, just go to the terminal to check the price. Okay, here is the route. I think the distance is about 3 kilometers. The second phase will be coming soon. The total distance is 5.2 kilometers. The current price is 38 ringgit. I think it's not cheap. Okay, just continue my walking. I think here is quite nice and beautiful. But no ferry boat. I don't know why. Nice place. Look the sky. I guess it could be raining again later. So if I continue walking this way, I will go to the bus terminal. Yesterday I was there, so I took bus to the city center. I think I would like to go to the bus terminal again because I would like to check the ticket to another city from Melaka, not very far. It's called Muar. Because I will stay in Melaka for 5 days, I think it's a little bit long. So if possible, I would like to visit some cities around Melaka. So just go to the bus terminal to check. Very nice river and also beautiful area over there. I hope there is a bridge I can go another side, but I don't find it. So I guess somewhere already raining. Look. Anyway, I have umbrella with me. So today I just want to have a good walk along Melaka River, because this river is like mother river of the city. So if I continue walking straight, I will be at bus terminal, and then I would like to check the ticket to Muar. I guess it could be some choices, but I'm not sure the time is suitable for me or not. Anyway, just go there to take a look. Okay, the raining stops me, so I cannot go any further. Just wait for the raining stop, and then go to the bus terminal. Look, it's quite heavy. Okay, right now it's much better, so I need to get bus terminal as soon as possible. Okay, just check the ticket. So if I want to go to Muar, so I can book the ticket at 12:15 p.m. So I can stay in Muar afternoon. Let me think about it, because if I go there, I cannot stay there too long time. So I don't know if it's a good idea or not. Okay, right now it's raining again, so I cannot leave the bus station immediately. Maybe I will stay here until the rain stops. Okay. Quite hungry and exhausted. It's better for me to eat something before I go back. Okay, quite full now, so I need to go back. It's rainy season here in Malaysia, so the rain is quite frequent. I have to take umbrella with me all the time. Okay, just go to my place. By walking, it's around maybe 20 minutes. The weather of today isn't so good. Anyway, I had a good trip along Melaka River, so it was wonderful, I think. So today, the second day in Melaka, just end filming here.